Hey guys, one of my lights, actually the passenger lights on my 2008 Lexus IS250 went out. The left side, driver's side, was working perfectly, but the right side and indicators was off, and you get in something like that. Okay, so when I turn, the right signal nothing, and the right works. So here is the problem. As you can see here, light is on, and here no light. There was another video where it says that you have to connect, cable to the negative here and then carry it down here. As you open all this, just pull all your your protection out, and right here it is connected to a 10. This is connected to a 10mm bolt, but that's not your problem. Okay, if you follow it down here, you have this cap that protects this. So after a while, especially if you have drove into water or had the flood, this gets the ground doesn't work anymore. So you remove this piece and remove all the rubber in here, and then when you connect to the negative of the battery here and all the one to the wire right here, look what happens. Now it's working. There is light. Okay, there is light now. So your solution, instead of putting a long cable to go all the way here, is to tie this cable at the bottom and put some duct tape and connect it to this one right here. Okay, just connect it to that one here. Connect this wire here to that wire here. I'm just gonna cut this piece and connect both, and you will be ready to go. Yes, most probably if you can have a fuse, a burnt bulb, that would be your problem right here. All right, so Ash, hold this here for me. Come, hold this for me here. What? Right here. Hold the camera for me. Right here. Okay. And the other one to the ground. And check the light. It's on. Check the light. It's on.
Yes.
Light is on.
Hold on, wait.
Yes.
Yes, it is on.
Perfect. That's the part right here. Just tie it up to this one. Put back your 10mm nut bolts right here.
Hold on.
Put your 10mm back in, and you're all set to go. All right, connect this one to here.
Do it again. Connect which one?
Connect this wire here to that wire here. Okay? Get it?
Yes.
And you're good to go. Okay, guys. Hope this video will help you out. Okay? Ciao.